Today, I am going to show you exactly how to import files from Google Drive to Dropbox on this video on PMN Online. The convenience of cloud storage is undeniable, but when you're juggling multiple platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox, transferring files between them can seem daunting. Whether you're organizing work documents or just streamlining your digital life, knowing how to move files from Google Drive to Dropbox efficiently is a game changer. This process is designed to make transferring your documents between these two popular cloud storage platforms as seamless and straightforward as possible. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to start by heading over to Dropbox. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.dropbox.com to access Dropbox's official website. Once you land on the homepage, it's time to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your login details carefully. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any disruptions. A smooth login sets the stage for a hassle-free experience. Now that you're successfully logged into Dropbox, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Files. Click on Files to open up the area where all your uploaded documents and folders are neatly stored. Think of this section as the central hub of your Dropbox account. It's where you can manage and organize all of your uploads with ease. With the Files section open, direct your gaze to the top of the page. You'll see an option to upload. Click on Upload, or if you prefer, use the convenient drag-and-drop feature if your files are ready on your desktop. This action will bring up a menu with more options. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Import from Google Drive. Click on it. Once you click Import from Google Drive, a prompt will appear asking you to log into your Google account. At this step, it's crucial to sign in with the Google account that contains the files you wish to import. Ensure you have the right credentials ready to guarantee a smooth transition. After logging in, you will be asked to grant permission for Dropbox to access your Google Drive. This is a standard security measure to keep your data safe. Confirm all necessary permissions, and soon enough, you'll be able to see your Google Drive files right within Dropbox. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the files you want to transfer. You can select individual files or entire folders depending on your needs. Feel free to take your time to make the right selections based on your requirements. Once you've chosen the files, simply follow the prompts to finalize the import process. Dropbox will then manage the rest, smoothly transferring those files from Google Drive into your Dropbox account. Congratulations! You've successfully imported files from Google Drive to Dropbox. This method is an excellent way to keep your important documents consolidated and easily accessible across multiple platforms. Whether you're organizing your work documents for a project or just tidying up your digital life, this feature simplifies managing your files. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to import files from Google Drive to Dropbox quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.